So rather than move the part to the machine, here, you move the machine to the part. So can you tell me all about this, please?
This machine tool is used for repair big components of, for example, power plants, but also in die making. And the idea is to bring the machine to the large components and not the components to the tool shop, for example.
And what application, because you've got different heads, so you've got different applications, is that correct?
Yes, exactly, yeah. We have 5-axis milling, what you can see on the surface, and we can also apply laser welding, MIG welding, up to surface finishing by hammer peening. Yeah.
Okay. And what sort of level of finish, what RA would it be?
There's the surface quality of RZ1 and lower.
One and lower, okay. Yeah. So just behind us here then, you've got some of the different tools, is that correct?
Exactly, yeah.
So if you could just talk us through what you've got here.
What we see here is a state-of-the-art hammer peening tool with a frequency of hammering of 250 Hertz. And we have developed a new tool. This is 4 times faster. We can realize with this piezo tool 1000 Hertz.
So 1000 times per second, is that?
1000 Hertz, that means 1000 impact per second. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you shouldn't.
We can enhance the performance up to 4 times, because it means if we are peening a die, we are 4 times faster. And in addition, we can do it by robot, and we don't need a big die making machine. So this is much cheaper in investment.
Okay. And this is the type of finish you're going to get from this process.
Exactly. Yeah. You see it here. This is starting by RZ10. And finally, this is lower than RZ1.
There you go, that's fantastic. So there you go, taking the machine to the component.